Take away 6 is?
4.
4. So, 4. Now, one last thing that I'm going to assign you to do as your homework from homework. How would you check to see if this is right, and this is right, and this is right? Do you know how you would check that?
Inverse operation.
Okay, I think what you mean, that's right. Well, what you want to do is this. Go back to the equation, x plus 3y, and put the 4 in there, and put the 2 in there, and see if it comes out to 10. Get it? And then do the same thing here and the same thing here. And I can tell you, you probably got all 3 right. Okay? All right, take care. We're going to go to Super Kids now. Back to you guys over there.
Okay, Jessica sounded like a super kid, and now we have another one. Okay, Julia?
Is there something that Matricia Atkins doesn't do well? We have yet to find anything, and that's why she is tonight's super kid.
Meet Matricia Adkins, a junior at Edison Tech who truly fits the mold of an all-around student. She's a 2-season athlete, participates in church services, and loves to play the saxophone. If that wasn't enough, Matricia stays active in many clubs such as the Vocational Industrial Club of America, PRISM, and Minority Achievers. I had the pleasure of sitting down with this week's Super Kid to talk about her various activities.
It's very important to me to get good grades because in order to go into college, you have to have very high grades. In order to get scholarships, it's based on your academic achievement, and I want to go on to college, so it's pretty known that I need to get good grades. Minority Achievers is a program that's run out of the YMCAs of Rochester, and basically what the program is, it's a program to help students who excel and maybe students who don't excel, to push them to excel, to become minority achievers. You have clusters that you go to every Saturday. You have an engineering cluster, a computer cluster, where you learn more about those fields to help you decide what you want to major in college or what you want to do when you get into the real world. PRISM is the program for Rochester to interest students in science and math. Through PRISM, you get scholarships, you meet people, you learn skills, you get internet training. The ATAT scholarship is a scholarship that's provided for one city school district student between the ages of 15 and a half to 18. I applied for the scholarship in October or November of '99. Because I received the scholarship, I'll be going to Rennes, France, this summer. I know I want to go to college. I'll be there fall of 2001, and I would like to study nuclear engineering. I am in the mechanical or manufacturing engineering shop here at Edison, and my shop teacher asked me one day, he said, if you want to major in a science and engineering, why are you in this shop? And I said to him, to make sure this is not what I want to do.
Well, academically, Marticia's always been accelerated from a young age. She's had strong goals. Her mom has set strong goals for her, and at a very young age, she took higher level courses. And here at Edison, she's involved in the shops, but she also is taking college level courses and has set high goals for herself and is already looking at colleges. She will be traveling abroad this summer and was selected to go to France, and she's just really done an outstanding job here at Edison.
It's important for students to get involved in activities outside of the classroom because the more you do, even though your grades might not be perfect, it shows that you're well-rounded. Colleges look at people who are well-rounded, jobs look at people who are well-rounded, so in every aspect, it just helps you out. The more activities that you're involved in, the more people you meet, the farther you'll go.
Really a super kid.
Great piece, you know, and one of the wisest things I've heard a student say on one of our pieces, and I try to tell my students this all the time, try everything before you shut doors. I love that line, I'm taking your shop to make sure it's not what I want to do.
Right.
I hope that teacher didn't get offended by that, but it's a perfect answer.
Right. That's right.
Absolutely right. Very cool.
I'll tell you what, we have a brain teaser winner, but I don't know who it is, but I know who it's not.
Okay.
It's not Laura and Julia.
That's right, because they're here, and they already got their 30-something in. Who's out there?
Hi, it's Jeff Lee.
Jeff Lee, how you
Hi,
doing,
Jeff.
buddy?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good. Now, you're coming on the show pretty soon, aren't you?
Yeah, about a week.
Next week sometime?
Yeah.
Cool beans. Hey, what's the answer to tonight?
It's Gone with the Wind.
Gone with the Wind. Have you read that book?
Actually, no.
Did you see the movie?
Actually, no.
Wow, you know what? I think you and I are the only two people on the planet. A cameraman hasn't seen it either. Yeah, I guess there's... now, let me ask you this. Did you see Titanic?
No.
Me neither. All right. A brother and a sister. All right. There's a few of us. Hey, Jeff, congratulations on that.
All right, thank you.
All right,
Looking
we'll
forward to
see you
seeing
soon,
you.
Jeff.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Let's do some more homework.
Okay.
So George can go watch a movie.
One of them.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi. Who's this?
Who's this?
Karita.
Hi, Karita.
Hi.
How can we help you tonight?
I need help with my homework.
Okay, and are you working on some math?
Uh-huh.
Is it a big math problem or a little one?
A bit.
Oh, I guess it's,
Well, we got-
it must,
we
it
got
must
about
be
4
my
minutes
turn.
left, yeah.
All right, Karita, I'm going to go to the board, and I'm going to help you with your math problem. Now, you're in what grade, Karita?
Huh?
What grade are you in?
Third.
Third grade. So it can't be a really big problem, can it? Or is it a real big problem?
A big problem.
All right, why don't you tell me about that real big problem?
It's graphing and...
Graphing.
Uh-huh.
Ooh-wee. So should I make, you know, the X and the Y axis, which I don't know if you know the names of that yet, but that's what's on a graph. Okay, are we going to make a picture?
Yeah.
Ah, I hope we are, because if you're in the third grade, that's what I hope we can do. Now, you have, tell me what goes with this so we can make you a picture.
0 through 10
0 through 10 at the bottom?
on both sides.
On both sides. Okay, so let's put the 0 here. And this is really the beginning of graphing. And it is so exciting that I can't count and talk at the same time, so just hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. George probably could do this. That's why he's laughing. But I can't. That's not funny, George. Karita, you're not laughing too, are you? All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ho, ho. Big, nice big graph. Okay, now, Karita, what else do we need to know?
And
See, she can't talk while I write either. Go ahead, Karita.
then on the sides, it has A, B, C, A through H.
A through H. Okay. And are there some numbers, I hope, next to A through H?
Huh?
Are there some numbers?
Yes.
All right. G, H. What's next to A?
1, comma 3.
Next to B?
2, comma 1.
Oh, Karita, you're good. What's next?
8, comma 1.
And?
9, comma 3.
Keep going.
6, comma 3.
Okay.
6, comma 8.
All right.
3, comma 4.
And the last one?
And 6, comma 4.
6, comma 4. You know, Karita, if you can do this in the third grade, I know some middle school teachers who want you right now. Okay, now, are we going to have to plot these points?
Huh?
Do we plot these points on this graph?
Uh-huh.
Now, Karita, I didn't make lines all the way up and down the graph. Okay, do you have graph paper?
Uh-huh.
Okay, we're going to imagine where the lines are because it would take me till next Friday to get all these lines straight. But this is what we're going to do. Point A is 1, 3. What does that mean? Where do I put that? I see all kinds of, I see ones in here and ones over here. What do I do?
You have to connect 1 and 3.
All right, you know what? This is what, and I don't know if you call this X and Y. Does your teacher call it X and Y?
No.
Or does she call it over and up?
Over and up.
There you go, third grade, over and up. So this is the over, and then we have up. And this is what we're going to do, Karita. We're going to go over, we always start at 0, right?
Uh-huh.
We're going to go over 1 and up, how many?
3.
All right. That's your point A. Okay?
Uh-huh.
Next one. All right, we did A. B is over 2 and up 1. Over 2, up 1. That's B. Are you following me?
Uh-huh.
All right. If you can stick with over and up, you'll get all this right. Point C, over and up. Over how many?
Over 8.
And always go in a straight line. Over 8. Up how many?
1.
Good. That's point C. Does it say we have to connect these in order, or are we just going to connect them at the end?
I connect them at the end.
Okay. And we're going to stay in order. I'm going to label them. Point D, over how many?
2.
Over 9 and up how
3.
many? 3. Over 9 and up 1, 2, 3. That's point D. Let's keep going. Over 6, up 3. Over 6, up 3. Point F. Over 6, up
3. 8.
8. Okay. Point G. Over
3.
Up
4.
Over 3, up 4. Yeah. All right. And the last one.
6.
Over 6.
And up 4.
Up 4. Whoa. Now, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. George is laughing, but this isn't. And now what? Watch this. What do we got?
A boat.
A boat. A boat. A boat. And you did such a good job, Karita. You remember that over and up stuff. When you get to middle school, you'll be doing just great. Back to George.
Okay, let's see. Do we have time for one more caller out there? Oh, okay. Oh, it's the end of the show. Hey, before we go, we want to remind you that you can call Dial-A-Teacher Monday through Thursdays from 4 to 7 p.m. The number is 262-5000. There are people standing by to assist you with any homework question in any subject.
Or you can write us at Post Office Box 30021, Rochester, New York, 14603. Or you can email us at hotline@wxxi.pbs.org.
Okay,
and
ladies,
everybody,
let's say
wave
goodbye.
good night.